So, silly me, I took the first right instead of the left right coming down, or the first right instead of the second right coming down the trail, and I ended up at a dead end. But when I turn around, there's another portal, one that I haven't been to before, that I didn't even know about. So we're going to go inside and see where it goes. I have yet to explore this one, so in a minute while I turn on my headlamp, if I can find the controls. Okay, well, let's walk down here a ways and see what we can find. It's quite an incline. Imagine it's probably flooding. You can actually see daylight. Kind of comes into a room here. Goes around the corner. Oh, it's around the corner and it keeps going. This must be the one that they're talking about that comes out at the waterfall. Because I can hear the waterfall right above me. I can see the mist coming in from it. Pretty sure this just dead ends. I'll have a quick look here. Oh, look at the quartz though. There's the seam they're chasing. Wander over and see if I can see if this goes. It does go up a little bit. I didn't even know all this was here. Oh, this is a... There's ore cart tracks and everything there. This must connect with the other one at the top. Look at that quartz, wow. That's very amazing. You can see the, looks like copper maybe. It's green, usually copper turns green like that. Wow, this is just a huge quartz seam right here. It's really cool. I'll wander up now. Oh, the quartz continues over there too. Look at those seams. This is an incline shaft here that's going up. I bet this connects with the upper workings that I was meaning to get to, but let's have a little walk up here while we're here and see where we end up. Ore cart tracks in there. So they're obviously mining something at the top. Oh, look at that. Beautiful seams of quartz in here. There's a backfilled tunnel there that goes to the outside. So let's get up to the top here, where the ore cart tracks meet. There's a junction here that, hard to tell if that continued or not, but there's a Y in the tracks. I don't know if this keeps going or... It might just dead end right here. Yeah. There's the end of that. So, walk back this way. See the sport timber. Used to have a cable. Here's where the cable attached, I guess, that would hold the ore cart when I went down the shaft. There's looking down the shaft into the cave that I just came from, and this portal. Ah, here we are. Hold on. Well, I missed this last time we were here. Walk around and give you a shot at the waterfall. see across the river the piping coming out of the hills. That must have been a little stope or something there. There's the waterfall. Beautiful. There's a distance. That's awesome. I can see the waterfall from inside, so there must be like a little slope right underneath, because I can see the water and I feel the mist coming in from the right side. So head back on the portal. And we'll head back down the incline shaft to that little room. And make our way up. Back up that trail to the upper workings. I don't think it looked like, I thought the ore tracks went off to the left here for a second, but I don't think they do. No, but there's a bit of a stope or something here. It's just a little dugout room. Oh, there's a shaft or something there though. Oh, yeah, there. Oh, it's kind of like room and pillar. That's what it is. They've done a room and pillar. That whole pillar is quartz. It's pretty cool. You can see the little dugout here. They dug in a little bit further, but I guess there's nothing there. It must end right there. Some old plastic sheets on the ground. Okay. We'll see on here. Head back down the incline shaft. I guess this area must have just been a little, unless they started at the top. It's possible they started at the top and got down here. From there, and not like inclines like that. I still can't believe that quartz being how big it is. You can see, like, there's my hand. It's probably 3 feet tall. Oh, cool. There is another room over there, but I think I want to squeeze in there. I'm in here by myself, and I don't know. Looks like the tunnel might continue that way, but it's pretty dicey walking in there. Really low ceiling, and I'm in here by myself, so I'm gonna head back out to the main entrance. There's a ladder in there. So they must have I forgot to take that left branch. So yeah, there's the opening to the waterfall where the hose was coming out. It's a big ladder here in the middle of the room. What we're going to do is just wander and see if this tunnel, that just dead ends or, well, I might keep going down there. Man, these rooms, everything's so collapsed in here. But okay, so it came from there where the ladder was. There's the opening to the waterfall. Now I'm heading a left branching tunnel. It heads down on about the same angle that the incline shaft goes in on. Just makes a turn and keeps going. I can see the power lines in here. So they had power coming down here at one time. Not sure how far down this goes. It just goes into another stope. Power lines end here. Coming into another room. Look at the seam here. The quartz seam just goes all the way through here. Oh, there's tunnels all over the place in here. That one's a little bit dicey to climb into. Continuing down the main tunnel. There's a little small shaft dug off to the right here. Zoom in on it so you can see a lot of quartz down there too. We'll continue down the main tunnel here. I'll keep out dead air. I can still feel a breeze from that, but I'm not going to go in that one. And that incline shaft just keeps going. Wow. I'm not going to go down there if it says dead air. I can feel airflow though because I can see my breath moving, but I'm not going to try to climb down there. If I was with a bunch of people, I might go down